compassion are the types of values that a specific person expresses in the face of every difficult situation thrown at them. But who are they?
Nurses.
Nurses are critical in these tough times because they are the first line of defense in the COVID-19 pandemic, which has been going on for 2 years. But we must question ourselves. Are they doing okay?
Nurses are always looking over their patients within their given work hours. Sometimes they are not eating just to check on their patients, to the point where they exhaust themselves all in the name of service.
Not only that, but since there is a pandemic going on, wearing a secure uniform with many layers of protection may to try, and aid a person demonstrate how dedicated they are to their policies and devotion to helping.
However, given these facts, we cannot dispute that nurses were discriminated, were looked down on, and were paid a poor minimum wage for their services. These are one of the reasons why few people want to pursue nursing as their course in college.
And among these, there are insufficient nursing staffs here in the Philippines. Given the low wages, we tend to lose some skilled nurses just because they are given a better salary in another country.
And given the unfair treatment in many workers that they must suffer, some nurses are slowly losing their passion.
That is why, in these tough times, kindness, patience, and understanding is required. We don't know how they feel since we are sheltered in our homes 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. But they are working in a hospital 24 hours a day and 7 days a week.
That is why we should always respect them, because nurses are the one who takes care of patients. But who are taking care of them? You just really have to question it sometime.
Although being a nurse is difficult, it is tremendously inspirational to be part of a healthcare institution that dedicates itself to attempting to help individuals or strangers that they do not even know, yet they are able to lend a helping hand.
And I, who aspires to be a nurse, want a fair wage for nurses since they dedicate themselves by putting their blood, sweat, and tears into their work. They are the hardest individuals because they give more only to rescue someone else.
Before I go, a message to the nurses who's still out there: never forget who you are and what you stand for. It is acceptable to be exhausted. After all, you are human. Never lose sight of your motivation and the reason why you decided to be a nurse. Allow it to encourage you to work more. And aside from that,
We are part of a nursing program to show you that there are individuals like you who wanted to treat other people and to show that you are never alone.